Every day, we are presented with a myriad of choices.
But how do we actually make those choices?
A decision is a complex interaction between an organism and its environment, and involves a very interesting part of that organism, the brain.
How the brain makes these decisions is one of the largest frontiers in science in the 21st century. Traditionally, we've assumed that people have preferences that are expressed in their choices, but we know very little about where these preferences come from.
We often presume that our preferences don't change over time.
However, we recently found out that our preferences are in fact dynamic and that they are heavily affected by our past choices.
Research is closely tied to teaching, and we enjoy showing students how experiments are carried out. Training students to become successful researchers in the field is a key aim of our lab. In the past, research has been organized by individual disciplines of study, but the phenomena that we are interested in and the questions we're trying to answer require an interdisciplinary approach and a lot of collaboration.
The Decision Neuroscience Lab is the first of its kind in Australia. It's aimed at investigating the cognitive and neural basis of decision-making from psychological, neuroscientific, and economic perspectives.
By using sophisticated statistical tools for the analysis of brain imaging data, we can read out the content of these decisions from patterns of brain activity. What we have found is that many factors influence decision-making outside our conscious awareness.
Our choices are not only driven by our internal preferences, but they are also heavily influenced by the environment. They constantly evolve. What is also very interesting is that if we choose something, we are much more likely to choose it again in the future, simply due to the fact that we have chosen it in the past.
These findings also have substantial implications beyond financial decision-making. They could help advance our understanding of, for example, unhealthy dietary or lifestyle choices. We need to further understand how decisions are made and preferences are developed. And this is something that research can help with.
The Decision Neuroscience Lab aims to conduct research that leads to positive societal change by finding out what factors contribute to better decision-making.